in the loop, so this time I've added some more. Hopefully that keeps things going. But yeah, hopefully everyone is having a good Friday. I'm gonna get that prepped up. I'm running the server will be running on 1 gig of RAM this time instead of 2, because I feel like that was drawing a bit too much away from the stream. Let me see, desktop. Oof. I need to close some of these tabs. 1 second. Close that down. A godly potato, what's up? I saw your follow earlier, so thank you for the offline follow. I hope you're well. I'm doing good, thanks. How are you? How is your weekend going? Not your weekend. Well, I guess it is kind of weekend now, right? Your Friday, sorry. No, what do you mean? I'm trying to... I forgot about the Among Us thing on Twitch Rivals. Right now, if you link up your Among Us account, you can get a glitch thingy, pet, as a drop. And I was putting it off all week because I couldn't be bothered to open Steam and do it. And I think today is the last day. And I was like, oh no. Well, I think I'm like partway there for the thing, but then I paused it because I thought it was going to lag upstream, and it doesn't count obviously if you pause it, so I'm just gonna let that simmer for a second. Anton, what's up? Yes, if you head to your drops, I think you don't need Prime, so anyone can do it, I think, and you can if your Twitch account is linked up, then there you go. Let me see. I actually reached out to you on Twitter also. I might not have been able to. I haven't been able to check my DMs recently. I've been kind of busy. If you give me a summary of what it might be, then I'll know what to look out for.
Yes, well, I mean, the creepers were a mistake. I defined I don't have any modeling programs to define
so
code, and I accidentally made it.
Let me see.
It was like a tall thing with 4 little pieces, and that became the creeper. It was supposed to be a pig.
If you go to this link, there'll probably be more information on campaigns. But yeah, so we are hopping back into Minecraft mod making. Well, trying to anyway. We'll see how that goes. Last time, how we ended it was we managed to get the block breaking stuff happening, the block breaking event. And then, yeah, I kind of tied that up after the stream ended, and I've put that in the other file. So actually, I've commented that out here for now, but I'm just gonna leave it there in case I need it for reference. So what we'll be working on this stream is doing some more Minecraft stuff. Get honked. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, we get kind of used to it. It's like getting good.
I don't regret adding those at all. That was. Those are the pro strats. Let's see. So I think what we'll try to do. Oh, I need to start the server, don't I? That would help. Hopefully this doesn't tank stream. It was just to see if I could commission you to develop the alpha stream HUD for Facebook. Willing to pay for it. Been racking up my brain how to do it. I don't think that would actually be that much of a change. If you're in my Discord, just shoot me a DM so that I'll see it after the stream, because it's easier to get to me on Discord than on Twitter. I'm pretty sure all I would need to do is just change the event type. So what would help is if you already have the oh no, how would I do this? Well, you need to add it to your Twitch account first, and then assuming you have your Facebook account linked to your Twitch account on Stream Elements, then you can duplicate it over to your Facebook. Because unfortunately, if you're logged into Facebook, clicking on the share link will just say platform mismatch, and it won't work. So yes, you'll need to add it to your Twitch account first, and then copy it over to your Facebook Stream Elements account. And then go to your channel's information on Stream Elements, and generate an invite link, and then DM that to me so that I can log into your Stream Elements account as an editor, and then I can just make the changes to the widget. If you're stuck on how to generate the invite link, if you're in the Stream Elements Discord, just shoot them a message in the support chat, and they'll just send you a screenshot of how to do that. But that'll basically just let me log in as an editor, and then you can take me off afterwards. I'm pretty sure all I would need to do is just change the event type of like follower to supporter, and no, subscription would be supporter. Follower I think is still the same, and then bits would become stars, I think. I know supporters and stars are Facebook specific. But yeah, I think that should be that. Oh yikes, I forgot something. Don't want this. Oh god, what is happening? Save. Not like this. npm run build. Sam, what's up? Hello. Hi there, baby chili flake. Sizzling spitter and sputter and spicy something. I don't know. Robbie, what's up? Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. How are you doing? Oh yes, I got the drop. GG. Okay, I can close Twitch Rivals now. Finally. Okay, there we go. I was lagging up. No worries, Potato. Glad to help. Okay, so this should be the server now. And then what I'm gonna do is reload Nice. Okay. Yes, that's all normal. Cool. We should be okay now. Let's see where this put us. Like how you just laugh at it and don't even question it. Well, I've been in a few fair chats, so that is the nature of Twitch. What? Godly Potato. Thank you so much for this sub. Gift bomb. Wow. That is really awesome of you. You didn't have to do that, but thank you. Another reminder that I need to fix my alerts. I think it did play, but I don't think it's played any sound, so rip. Oh god, what is this? But yeah, I appreciate that. Thank you so much. I don't think you're even... You're a mad lad. You're not even subbed. I think you just gave out those subs to everyone else. That's really nice of you. Thank you. Oh god, the lag. Why? I don't think it's because I'm running this on... No, the server's independent of the game, so it should be right. Well, I don't know. Okay, so we are going to be looking at some random Twitch stuff again. Not Twitch stuff, Minecraft stuff. This stream, I kind of want to do a bit more on the player. Oh god. Oh, there's the sub. Damn, I appreciate that a lot. Thank you so much. That is truly awesome of you, and yeah. As I said, shoot me that you're the editor thingy, and I'll get that sorted for you. Oh god. I cannot wait to build my new PC. It's gonna make streams like this so much nicer. Running a Minecraft server and streaming and everything like that at the same time. Oof. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and turn all of this down because I don't think this needs to be up here. As nice as it would be, we don't need that for the purpose of the stream. Moderately better, whatever. Random Minecraft stuff, yep. Alert looks so nice I had to clip it to watch it again. Well, thank you. I think we worked on those on stream recently? No, not recently. It was probably like a year or two ago. We were coding alerts and everything. That was ages ago. I'd love to get back more into that. Maybe in future streams after I build my PC, because it was kind of intensive. In terms of like refreshing and everything. I need bigger screens and stuff. Okay, so what we're gonna do actually, I think, is we'll link it to a command, and when we type in the command, I'm gonna call it armor, or actually I'll just go health, and when I run the command, it will do something with health. Oh no, what is happening? No! Not like this. Oh, that was clutch. I'm gonna get rid of the thing as well. Right. Do health thing. So that's the function that will run. And basically I'm just gonna mess around with the player's health because I'm curious to see how that works. I need to bring up the documentation as usual. Unfortunately, Fire, it would appear the Brit has once more left my accent. I guess I need a fix sometime soon. A fix of the Brit. You know what's tragic? I ran out of tea today. And I didn't realise there were no more boxes left. Feels bad. I need to make an emergency tea stop. Probably tomorrow. I do have, well, I've got like one bag left, so I'm okay for tonight. And I'll probably go use it here in a second. But after that is code red. Player health. Why not just set your MC server game ruled do weather and do daylight to false? I did not know those were game rules, but thank you. I will do that. Is it do weather cycle? False. I'm not too much of a Minecraft person actually, so I don't really know about these things, but that's useful. Do daylight cycle, I think I saw. False. Cool, so it should just stay like that now. I should probably actually go to a flat land, so that would probably help a lot. I don't know why it's chugging so badly today. Do I have anything open in particular? I don't think so. Weird. But yes. Let's see. Player health. Oh no, that's a plugin already. No tea. I know, it's tragic. Love from Mexico. Thank you for the love. Tex-Mex. Team Mex. Why did I say Tex-Mex? That's the thing, isn't it? Team Mex. What's up? Thank you. That's insanity. I'm so sorry for your loss. Me too. I mean, this is on me, to be honest. I didn't check. I should have checked when I was getting low, but I was confident there were more boxes. Not a mistake that will be happening anytime soon. I'll tell you that. Yes, I'm gonna have to ration the bag. This kind of actually gives me trauma flashbacks to when I was at uni and I ran out of tea sort of part way through a study crisis. And where is maybe this? I don't know what the difference between this is. Actually, no, it wasn't during a study crisis. It was at the end. It was going to be the end of my tenancy, so I was going to be leaving the accommodation, and I wanted to pack as lightly as possible. So I think I had something like a week left, and I didn't want to buy a whole new box of tea because I knew I'd have to squash that into my bag. And I only had like 2 or 3 bags left, so I kind of had to make them last that last week. Yeah, had to be a bit clever about that. Right. So there's something about a health scale here. Set health scale. I don't know what this means. I thought, oh, maybe I'm thinking of hunger, because I know hunger is out of 20, I think. Well, I don't know, actually. Is health scaled? Sets health scaled, maybe set. How do I set player's health? Bucket, set player's health. What would that be? I've a question about setting players' hearts. I guess I mean hearts. You set max health. Ooh. Wait, what? I don't know what this means. This is confusing. We'll work it out. Banasura? Banasura Gaming, what's up? What badass thing are you building for us now? This is more experimental. I'm working on Minecraft mods, but with JavaScript. So yeah, it's kind of an ongoing thing at the moment, which I'm having a lot of fun with. Right now I'm trying to see how we can affect the player's health, because obviously these bukkit mods / plugins are supposed to be built in Java, but we are doing them with JavaScript, which is a completely different language. So it's kind of a challenge of translating it, getting that working with this. So I think what I'll do is I'll get the player and then let me see. Maybe I don't do this. Maybe I do. Parameters sender. The sender is the instance of the player, so this will be this person. Ooh. Then this will go here. Console log player. See if that works. I'm gonna do npm run watch. Ooh, thank you for reminding me that I probably need to update that Discord link. I think it still works, but I've mapped it to discord.thefirewire.com, which is a lot easier to remember. So I'll probably change that link. But thank you for reminding me. And yes, the Discord is available for everyone to join. Yeah. If there's anything that you need help with, or if you just want to say hello, it's a good place. I think that's working now. Let's try that again. Reload. So JSP health should give us the craft player instance. Nice. So let's try doing some weird stuff with player health. I think I can do, what was it, set health scale? Set health scale, double scale. So what if I just do 0.5? What does that actually do? Curious. Curious and curious. Oh. It looks like I took damage. Survival. Go back to survival. Oh my god. I have... That's not good. Yikes. Interesting. Okay. So that actually affects total health. Like the max health that you can actually have. Interesting. I've been in Discord for a while. I'm just shamelessly plugging the Discord for you. I appreciate that. You're too kind. I hope your controller's been behaving. BT dubs. Alright. So, set health scale. Sets that down to 0.5. So if the maximum health is 20, then maybe if I do 20, that should bring me back up. But then how do I actually set the player health? That just doesn't make sense. I want it to be out of max health. Oh, interesting. Okay. That would be that. So what was the other thing? Health. Set health. No, that's on the player. Set health scale. Get health scale, get max health. Set max health? What would that be? Get health, divide by get max health, divide get health scale. Oh, so there's a set health? No. So when's Ori stream? Probably sometime after I build my PC. If I wanted to play that game, I think I would want to play it in all its glory. That would probably be the only good way to justify it. Set health scale 20. Can I just do set health 10 after that? Oh. So we can. Interesting. Okay. So if I said 1, that would actually just put me down to half a heart. In theory. Heck yes. Nice. Okay. We kind of actually got that working fairly well. So I think next we should look at armor. I want to equip and dequip stuff on the player. And we'll see if that is a thing. Do equip stuff. Then build it. I've got to experience the beauty. I am working on that. It will be soon, I'm pretty sure. It'll probably be sometime in the new year, because I've been meaning to do it for a while, and now's as good a time as any. Armor stand. And display inventory, set armor contents. Bucket, set player armor. Setting armor contents, set armor, getting player's armor. Let's try this, see what happens. Been looking around for a while, I can't find an answer on how I would set player's armor. Is this person using Scriptcraft? Interesting. You can set each armor piece individually or add all armor pieces as an array. Item stack armor is an array. New item stack. Interesting. Okay, I see you. So item stack and then item stack. Oh no, hang on. Is this? Yes, this means an array of item stacks. Yeah, so that's not actually an armor stack, item stack itself. So if I go, item stack is there already. So if I go const armor equals, and then if the others are null, then I go new item stack material leather helmet. Interesting. Okay. So actually I could go null, 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 new item stack, material. Should we go diamond? I think we have to go diamond. David, what's up? How are you doing? Have you got your free Twitch pet in Among Us? I completely forgot. And I only just remembered that today was the last day to do it. So fortunately, I managed to get that completed. I still need to go redeem it, but I think it would be diamond helmet. Diamond helmet. Let's try it. Oh, doesn't like this. Hopefully you're having a good weekend. Get player inventory, set armor contents, armor. Okay, so if I go player, get inventory, set armor contents, armor. If I can spell it correctly. Is that right? Yeah, okay. Let's give this a shot, shall we? So when we run this command, we should get equipped a... oh, not a material. I can spell material. I don't know what a material is. That wasn't meant to happen. There's me. No helmet. Then if I go reload, then wait a billion years for it to reload. Okay, and then I go JSP, and then the thing is armor now? Or is it? Oh, it's equip. Hey, look at that. We have a diamond helmet. Pug champ. Interesting. Okay. Okay. I want to write a wrapper function for this, actually. So if I go const equip. So basically what I want to do is I want to avoid writing as much of the same code as possible. I want to make some utility functions that will let me just say equip this and then do that. And then that should help. So if I go something like... because I might not remember that this is what this means, you know? So if I write something like equip player, and then I'll take an input, an object.
Yes, well, I mean, the creep
yeah. Yeah, I'll take an object. I'll take an object of armor. And then basically what I want to do is... if a certain piece has been defined, then use it, otherwise don't. If that makes sense. And I think all I need to do is pass in the material. I think that would help. So how would I want to do this? Const... no. If I go const... armor parts, and then I have const armor, which will be a object, and then I'll go, this can either be if armor parts dot helmet. Wait, so what was the first one? I think it was, so helmet's at the top, so it must be boots, right? Yeah, boots, leggings, chestplate, helmet. So if I go armor.boots or null, so if this has been defined, if boots has been set, then it will use boots, otherwise we'll just go with null. Otherwise, and actually, maybe I'll just call this parts, something easier. Go parts dot leggings or null, parts dot chest plate or null, and parts dot helmet or null. And then that will be our armor, and then oh, I also need to pass in the player. Player. So if I go player dot get inventory, set armor contents, parts, armor, sorry, and also I need to make sure I use this. I forgot. Take that. Take this, take that. Take this, and take that. There we go. So only if those things exist. So actually I should probably do this, shouldn't I? So basically this is a ternary operator, and it'll only evaluate this if this evaluates to true, which it will not be if it is not defined. So we'll give this a shot, see if it works. But basically what I want to be able to do is just say equip player, and I'll go boots material dot leather boots, and then I'll run this function and then equip it, and then any bits that I haven't defined, it will just default to null. So we'll see if that works. Just want to say I've rewatched the alert for those gifted subs about 5 times. Thanks, I appreciate that, specifically about the gifted alerts, because I remember they caused quite a lot of trouble trying to like detect how many people have been gifted subs and like displaying them in one go. Sort of in one go and then individually, and because obviously it needs to know that there are 5 alerts or 5 people, and then yeah, it's a variable length one, so it just keeps going on until everyone's been I don't know, it's a weird mix. I guess I wanted to have everyone's name up there, but I kind of wanted it so that the gifted would be thanked as well, rather than playing the sub alert 5 times. Let's see. Okay, so don't have any boots on at the moment, so I should get leather boots on if I run the command. No, cannot read property boots from undefined eval. Okay. It didn't like that. Oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't pass in the player, so it doesn't actually know who it's applying it to. And parts is the second parameter of that function, so I wasn't passing in both bits that it needed. Let's try that again. I like how I just left myself out of a heart. Completely forgot. So let's just double check. Okay, no boots. Boots. Yay. Oh, and it took away our helmet. Interesting. Okay. So maybe I need to add something else that lets me decide whether I want to just replace something, like, or add something. So if I already have a helmet, for example, and I add boots, then it'll keep the helmet as well. Because I think what it's doing is it's just overwriting everything. If I say only boots, then it gets rid of the helmet as well. In which case, I guess sometimes you would want that. But it might be better to have that as an option. So let's add a new parameter to this. We'll call it merge, which will be false by default. So when merge is true, it will attempt to keep any existing pieces of armor. Otherwise, it will just replace it with being empty. So I don't need, if I want to specifically say keep other bits, then I'll just write true like this. Maybe I should put that as a object instead, like options. So then I go something like this instead, merge true. And maybe, let me define this merge false as default. So actually we need to get the player's inventory. So maybe let's see if there's a way to get armor contents. I think there is, got to be. Yeah, player inventory, get armor contents there. There's a get helmet. So I could actually just do this. Interesting. Okay. So that would give us an array. So how would I want to do this? I think what I'm going to do is refactor this into a loop. And I'll use get armor contents as a reference. So if I go current, or I go C armor, as in current armor, and then I go player get inventory, get armor contents. That will give us an array like we have here. If merge is true, so I'd want to merge it if possible. So actually, if part.boots is true. Okay, so otherwise then go to merge. So if merge is true, then do C armor. Maybe this should be, maybe if I can destructure it, I could do boots, leggings, chest plate, helmet. And then this would actually be like this, because then it'll default to boots. Yeah, this makes sense. So this will be boots, leggings, chest plate, helmet. If merge is true. Otherwise, if merge is false, it will just go back to, it will just replace it with empty if nothing's been defined. So I've got leather boots on at the moment. If I go helmet, let's go gold helmet, why not? So I've got the leather boots on at the moment. I've set merge to true, so it should keep the boots. It should keep the boots when I run this command. If it will come back to respond. Okay, there we go. So let's see. Got the boots on. I should get a gold helmet after this and keep the boots. No. Invalid attempt to destruct a non-issuable instance. In order to be issuable, Shoot, okay. So it doesn't look like this actually does return an array like I was expecting. So what does that actually do? Let's find out. Can I force it to be an array? I don't know. Let's log it and see what happens. Alright, we have a long bucket inventory item stack. Not 100% sure what that is, but I think it has to be an array, right? Can I do a for const a in armor console log a? C. Oh. Yeah, so we do get the 4 index array. Odd. What if I do of? Will you actually give me the bits? It did not like that, okay. So it's behaving like some kind of array, but I don't get it. Can I do array? Can I do this? Or can I do armor.values? I feel like the answer is going to be no, but I'm going to try it anyway because it doesn't hurt. Nope, didn't like that. Okay, I'm going to try one other thing. And then I'm going to write a nether wrapper function for sorting out these weird array-like objects. Okay, no, I didn't like that either. So it doesn't mind us going like this. So we can do for something in armor. The problem is, so I can actually do armor like this, and that should give us the individual armor bits. So let's try that actually. Yep, there we go. So it said item stack leather boots 1, null for everything else. Jen, what's up? Thank you for the honk. I appreciate it. Yeah, so we do have this. So I think what I'll do is I'll actually write a new wrapper function. I'll go I prematurely honked. I was gonna wait until the ad was done. Well, I appreciate the honk regardless. Came through loud and clear. The quack, I don't know. I was gonna say the quack will always be my favorite, but I'm not sure actually. They're both pretty good. Array arise. Array arise. Is that too weird of a term to use? Array arise. I don't know. Kind of rolls off the tongue. Array. Anita raw. That might be a good one to add as well, actually. A new challenger has approached. Const A equals an array. A raw. Like a raw XD, I think is what you mean, right? Maybe R like this. Then I go R dot push A like this. Return R. So what if I did this? Console log array arise armor. So basically what I'm doing here is I've written a function that takes in an array, or what we think is an array. It creates an actual array, a JavaScript array. It loops through the array-like object, and then just pushes each of the elements into this array and then returns that array. So hopefully this works, because it'll be a lot easier to manage arrays this way. Roars are super loud. A roar with an A is simple and nice. Yes, that sounds more like what the stream is about. Oh, and look, it worked. It didn't give us an error this time. So what I should be able to do is const boots, leggings, chest plate, helmet equals rear eyes armor. And then I should be able to run this again. So let's try it. Oh no, it didn't like that. Babel pass error, const armor. Oh, I've done it twice. Whoops. It's called a C armor for current armor. Okay, compiled this time. Reload complete. Alright, here we go again. So I've got leather boots on. When I run the command, I should get a gold helmet, and my leather boots should stay on. No, it didn't like that either. What's merge? Merge is not defined. Oh, hang on. Yes, it is. It's in the object. Oh, maybe it doesn't like this. Oh. How would I... Maybe I can't. Maybe like that? Does that work? I don't know. Let's give it a shot anyway. No? Oh, okay. So it doesn't like that. Well, I guess we could do this. But then how do I set a default for a destructured object? Not sure, but we'll get to it in a second. Alright, here we go. Take 3. Leather boots, no helmet. It didn't work. Why didn't that work? Merge should be true. If boots exists, if it doesn't exist, then it checks if merge is true. If merge is true, then it should go to boots. Which should be there. Did we get an error in here? Nope. I'm gonna console log boots. See if it actually does get it. Wait, did it run already? Can't tell. Yeah, it has boots. So wait, what? Let me console log what armor looks like at the end. Because it should be... We should have two... They should have merged that in. Right. Quit. Oh, it's only saying boots for some reason still. Didn't merge in the helmet. Parts.helmet. Maybe gold helmet isn't a valid thing. Let me try diamond helmet again. Maybe I just goofed on that. Maybe I just goofed on that. Nessa, what's up? How are you? How's your Friday going? I hope you're having a lovely Friday. I'm about to rage at this for not working, but... Oh. Oh, it did work. I'm just a dummy, and apparently a gold helmet is not a thing. I thought you can get... Maybe it's called golden helmet. I don't know. I'm gonna check. Yikes. Nessa, thank you so much for the resub. That's too kind of you. I appreciate that a lot. I'm a dummy. I was spelling it as gold underscore helmet. It's actually golden helmet. Well, apparently, okay. Well, there you go. That's why that didn't work. How do I want to approach this then? I kind of want to clean this up. Kind of want to clean this up. Good, just chilling. Need to get tested tomorrow. Ah. Well, I will be hoping the best for you. I have not actually seen what the testing process is like. I've heard some horror stories. I've heard it can be slightly unpleasant, but I'm not sure to what extent. Like, so hopefully it isn't too horrifying. And yeah. Oh, there we go. It's not fun getting tested. Oh no. Does it involve like what are those things called? Like cotton swabs? Like being shoved into your brain, like through your nose? Because I imagine that would be very unpleasant. think I'm just gonna leave this how it is, actually. So actually if I take this, if I take merge... Oh no, I need to put in the thing for merge. Merge. If merge... How do I define a default for a destruction array? JavaScript destructured object default. I'm sure it'll be okay. You'll be fine. From experience. Dog name equals Snickers. That's an amazing dog name. Dog name undefined. Dog name null. False. Dog name 0. Okay. So I should be able to just say merge equals false, right? There we go. It doesn't look like it's throwing us any errors. It's kind of like long Q-tip shoved in your nose, uncomfortable for like 3 seconds, and it's over. Okay, well, that's not too bad. I can imagine that would probably be just be uncomfortable, but then I think the unpleasantness versus the informational result of the test is probably outweighed. Gagged from it going down my throat. It felt very weird going up my nose. Damn. I guess it kind of makes sense. They need to sort of get to an area that hasn't been exposed to air, or like something that's not going to give a false result, or a false positive. We're just trying to account for that. Okay, let's try running this again. So now, actually, let me reload. No, actually reload. Don't say reload. So when I next run this command, I should get my boots removed, but keep my helmet. Here we go. Nope, it does not like merge. What? Why? I've set you to be false already. What? JavaScript destructure object function default. Destructuring objects as function parameters. Here we go. This is what I'm doing. Oh. Does this need to be like this? think that was it. It's not that bad. Every time negative. Oh, 3 times this year? Damn. I've been fortunate enough to not be at that much risk just because web dev stuff from home. It's been very fortunate. Okay, here we go. So helmet, boots, and then no boots. It worked. Nice. So actually, we do have a super cool function. The function now for getting that to work. So now I'm kind of curious if we can make a function to generate random armor assortments. Had someone in the house test positive after I drove her around all day, so I'm being extra careful. Ah, yeah. Definitely pays to be careful. That sucks. But hopefully you turn out okay. Are we in the new mix now? I think we are. And of course, YouTube decides to glitch out. Oof. Okay, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna try and get to sleep on time-ish today. So I am probably going to see if I can create this randomizing function, and then I'll probably call it here. I'll try. Well, maybe I'll stream tomorrow. I'll try to start earlier, so I can actually get more done. Because I am enjoying messing around with this Minecraft stuff. So let's see. Helmet. Okay, so what are the different types of gear? I guess I should just list them out. Const gear. Armor types. No, armor. Yeah, armor types. And then I'll have a object where I can go boots. Then boots can be material dot leather. I think isn't leather the worst? Leather boots. Then what is it? I don't even know. I think it's gold next, right? Minecraft armor. Yes, YouTube, I am still watching. Thank you. Okay, so what are the different tiers? Because I am. Oh, it's chainmail. How can I forget about chainmail? So, leather. Wait, chainmail is better than gold? I did not know that. I guess it makes sense. Gold is pretty malleable. Okay, so leather, gold, chainmail, iron, diamond, netherite. So golden. Oh yeah, okay, so golden, chainmail. What's chainmail? Chainmail. Legacy. Oh no, there's just chainmail helmet. Okay, cool. So if I go golden boots, chain mail boots, and then what was it, iron, and then diamond. Yeah, iron boots, diamond boots, and then netherite boots. That is a thing, right? Netherite boots. Yeah. That's boots. And now I just need to repeat the same thing for everything else. So if I go leggings, this will be leather leggings. Leggings, leggings, leggings. And then this will be chest plate. Chest plate. Chest plate. Chest plate. And then finally helmet. So leather helmet, golden helmet, chainmail helmet, iron helmet, diamond helmet, and netherite helmet. Nice. Okay, so we've got our types. So technically all I need to do is get random armor assortment, and then this function will just return basically a random object. So return boots, armor types, math floor, math random times armor types dot length, and just repeat that. So this will be leggings, this will be chest plate, this will be, actually I don't think this needs to even be an object, but no, I'll leave it as an object, that might be useful. Chest plate and then helmet. Oh, armor types dot helmet. I spelled helmet wrong. Armor types dot helmet dot length. Chest plate, leggings, boots, cool. And then, so if I do this, when I do parts up here, I can just go, oh yeah, so that's actually what I do want. I do want a thing, so get random assortment, and then I just equip the player with that. Let's see what monstrosity this produces. I'm going to take this off, so I just won't have anything on. Oh god. You done loading? Not yet. Something's probably wrong, isn't it? Oh no, it's just slow. So by turning down my settings, it's just made things worse. Alright, so I haven't got anything on. If I do this, I am given nothing. Weird. Yeah, random armor assortment. Return armor type boots. Mouth floor time boot sock length. So that should have given random one of those. And that should have provided an object here, and then it should have equipped the player. Let's see. Didn't get an error. Oh. It did work. What? It was, I think it was just, it lagged. Wait. Oh, okay, so it does work. Yeah, I think I just lagged out. Weird. Huh. Cool, okay. Well, that does work then. Nice. I think if I kept running it, it should just replace it, right? Yeah. Sweet. Well, actually, it's pretty much what I was hoping to achieve, so I think I might just call it there. I kind of want to tackle more of these sort of little puzzle challenges, as in like working out what I need to do in order to make it work. But yeah. Let me actually just check on my phone. Someone sent me a list of ideas. Possibly. Drop weapon, drop armor, drop random items, spawn mobs, random teleport. Random teleport could be fun. Maybe we'll do that next stream. Like, you type a command and it just randomly teleports you somewhere. That would be really frustrating though, actually. So maybe we'll do it like within a range, or maybe we'll make a function that allows you to specify a range for reusability. What was the other one? Drop weapon, drop armor, drop random item. Drop weapon. I guess it's not really to do with dropping stuff because you could just pick it back up again. So maybe just removing stuff. Oh, you know what? Inventory. Doing stuff with inventory would be fun, like replacing items in the inventory. I'm going to take a quick look at how you might achieve that. Pick up item, inventory. Could it just be like empty inventory or something? Clears out the whole inventory. Yikes. Clears out a particular slot. Ooh. Maybe that one. Or what if we replace it with something? So like you run a command and it slowly starts replacing the slots in your inventory with like dirt or something. That would be pretty funny. Put the given item stacks into the storage slots. No, not that. Stores the item stack at the given index. Maybe that. Set item. Albister, what's up, dude? How are you? Hope you're having a good Friday. We are doing Minecraft stuff, yes. I've managed to get my wrapper function working for armor. So right now when I run this command, it will just randomly switch up all of my armor. I kind of just wanted to I don't know, mess around with interacting with different bits of the interface and stuff like that. Maybe I'll end up making something concrete in the end. I don't know. We'll see. But having a lot of fun just messing around with it. Doing good, studying for the last final exam of the year on Monday. Ooh, on Monday? You're finishing pretty late. Damn. And it's like, Christmas is like right around the corner as well. I think the latest I've ever finished is the 18th? Or the 19th, maybe. What's your exam on? If you don't mind me asking. I've not been too bad, thanks. Just been, working, Minecrafting. I'm gonna be building my PC soon, which is pretty exciting. This is me actually doing it, not just saying it and not doing it again, like always. It's programming 3. That sounds more complicated than programming 1 and 2. So I will assume. I mean, 3 is always the magical number in boss fights, so I can imagine that would actually be pretty tough. What do I want to do? Sorry, it's getting late. I should probably go to sleep at some point. Latest I've finished is the 23rd. Oh, that is pretty late. That's like Christmas Eve and Christmas Day the next day. Yikes. Well, hopefully you get some good rest after you finish up that exam. Is that the last one until when? Was that like your last one ever? I assume you have more stuff until the summer, maybe. Well, June, I mean. I guess our seasons are kind of the other way around. Let's see, how do I want to do this? Last one until like March. Oh, okay. That's not that bad. It gives you time to catch up on being human again. Whatever that means. I don't know. What was I planning on doing? Oh, right, doing stuff with the inventory. Okay. What I'm gonna do is make a new command. I'm gonna call it invection. Get it? Because it's like inventory, but like an infection. Damn. Pro at making up names. Infect inventory. Got a little side project. Got a little project, sorry, in the works. Nice. And you signed up for a full stack JS course. Sweet. Is there anything you can share about your little project, or is it under wraps for the moment? I'm excited.
Yes, well, I mean, the creepers were a mistake. I defined I don't have any modeling program.
The voice recording bits inside these lo-fi mixes really throw me off because it actually sounds like there's someone there. It's creepy, yo. So I've got player. What do I want to do next? Player, get inventory. Maybe clear 0. Let's try that. Get inventory. Clear 0. Do 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 do. Just trying to do something with UniFriends, little service with the Wargaming API. Oh, nice. It's definitely the best way to get your hands-on experience with making stuff is to go out and make stuff. So nice. Looking forward to seeing how it turns out. I don't think it liked me running that. Alright, so if I run this command, it should clear out this diamond helmet. Here we go. Oh no! It took it from my hotbar. I didn't realize. I guess this does count as my inventory, doesn't it? Yeah. So this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Would this be 9? I'm gonna try it. Bruh. How's the new job? It's good, thanks. It's been pretty surreal getting to work on stuff that like got me into making things on Twitch in the first place. So yeah, I'm super grateful to be doing what I do. Let's try this again, shall we? So it should clear out that diamond helmet. Yes, it did. Nice. Okay, cool. can I set... What happens if we... So that... I'm going to leave that there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to set item. And then I think this would be... What do you want with that? Set item index and then the item stack. Okay. So if I go 10 and then new item stack material dot dirt 1, just one piece of dirt.
We need to have exploding arrows. They're actually kind of fun.
And I'll get rid of this diamond helmet. Let's see.
Give it a bigger explosion.
Scribs, what's up? Quack. What are you still doing up? I guess it is the weekend. Technically. I don't know why I'm still doing up, but I guess technically it's also the weekend for me. Diamond helmet. Okay, so when I run this command, it is going to replace this diamond helmet with one piece of dirt. Ready? Boom. Boom. Okay, cool. So actually that works. Damn. So what I'm gonna do is how do I want to do this? I know. For let I equal 9, I less than, what is the max? Is it 36? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times 4, so yeah, 36. 36, I plus plus, set timeout, and then I minus 9 because it starts off at 9, or minus 8, so 10, so it'd be 1, 2, yeah, okay, times 1000 for milliseconds, and then set inventory index I to be 1 dirt. Okay, if this works, this will basically loop through my inventory, and 1 second, every second, it will replace each of these objects with dirt. So actually, let me just do this. I have no need for diamonds. I'm above material possessions. I'm actually going to put this down here as well. Okay. And I called it infection because it's like inventory infection. Get it? Wouldn't that be so creepy if like all of your belongings just started turning into dirt? This is based on a true to life horror story. Kind of. I don't even know what I'm saying anymore. It's 12:20, so yikes. Right, here we go. Let's try it. It's compiling. It's compiling. I'll reload it in a second. There we go. Oh, Don't do this to me. Alright, there we go. So, we have a nice little inventory here. We've got some diamonds, some different boots, some different helmets and stuff. You know, we're just minding our own business. Ugh. And what happens all of a sudden? Our inventory gets infected. Boom. Oh no. What am I going to do? Can I save the diamonds? Can I move them over here? Probably not, because it's going to actually get everything. What is happening? Can I stop it? Oh no. Does it still happen when I'm not looking? I think so. Yes, it does. It's eating all my diamonds. What is happening? Is it going to stop? And there we go. That's how I lost my entire diamond collection. And the next day, the mafia comes looking for me, wanting their stuff. I think that's pretty terrifying. Let's be real. I could just generate dirt, actually. Like, there we go. I've got dirt. I could probably tell, like, yes, because it's still looping through each of these, isn't it? Yeah. It's like someone else is in my inventory. That's so weird. That's evil. Exactly. Exactly. But what happens if there is a 1% chance for all of those items to be replaced with diamonds? Would that still be evil? I guess it would, depending on what you have in your inventory. Imagine if there was a Twitch reward that lets you target a specific index in the inventory, like you could snipe someone. You'd have to constantly be moving your things around. Or maybe, no, that wouldn't be fair. Maybe there should be a warning, like you have like 5 seconds to move it into a different slot before it gets deleted or something. That would be mean. Actually, no, that would be fair, kind of. Jorand, what's up? How are you? That is a very cute emote. A keyboard emote. Nice. Wow, okay. Well, I figured out how to do the inventory stuff then. I guess that answers that question. Or you'd be forced to throw your items on the ground. Oh, that's a good strat. That is a good strat. What if we made another function that deletes or clears all the items within a certain radius of you? Or maybe it turns all the drops near you into other items, into dirt. That might be interesting. What command should I call that? It's not inventory. I guess it would be drop vection. I don't know. Drop pection. That doesn't sound right. Drop disease. Drop disease. Let's just call it drop disease. Okay, so let's try. I think I'll make this the last thing that I take a look at. So what do I want to do? I want to get all the drops within the radius of the player. And then Or maybe it should be all the items within the chunk. No, because you might be standing on the chunk border and your items would be safe. So I don't think that should be a thing. I think it should just be within like a 3x3 block radius. So like, no, actually, no, that's pretty small. Maybe 6x6? 6x6. Karki, what's up? How are you? Yes, we are making Minecraft plugins. Oh, well, I'm kind of just learning the ins and outs of them. Check how far you can throw. Oh, that's a good point. Oh god. They can slide, yes. They have like a little bit of a velocity. I can throw them pretty far. Damn. I think we would be okay with 6x6. Oh god. I don't know why it's lagging so much. Probably because I'm running the server as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So like here. I probably shouldn't use dirt. It makes it harder to see. So if I'm standing in like the middle of that, I guess it needs to be an odd number, doesn't it? Oh, I can still throw it out pretty far. But if I was in a rush, I might not actually be looking out that far. Maybe I could do 9x9 to be safe. Yeah. I think 7x7 or 9x9 would be good. I'll go with 9x9 because that's just one extra out. So we need to get the player. Well, what we can do is const location x player Chewy, thank you so much for the Prime sub, the Prime Gaming sub. Damn, I appreciate that. That's too kind of you. I hope you're doing well. Thanks. From my experience, the best Minecraft performances on Linux. I did enable my Linux subsystem for Windows, but I haven't checked it out yet. Hopefully when I build my new PC, I will be able to run all this stuff much better. We shall see. Okay, wait. Well, yeah, I know what you meant. I'm just saying that's probably the closest I can get to Linux on my actual computer. I do have, well, I guess my site is running on Linux servers, but it's not, it's all remote, whatever. Chewy, thank you. I appreciate the nice words. What are you using? Well, what kind of things? Is it a Triggerfire? Or are you using the widgets or custom APIs? I'm always interested to see where people are coming from. Alright, I need to get the player's location, so how would I do this? If I need the player... I guess I would loop. Yes, that's what I would do. Okay. So if I wanted to get a 9x9 radius of the player with the person in the middle, I would do actually, what would I do? I could do maybe I should make it 10x10 to be on the safe side, because I can do -5 to 5 on the X, and then also on the Z. Oh, trigger fire. Nice, nice. Are you aware of the new code that I put out today for the happy holidays? I was a bit scared about pinging everyone, but hopefully most people appreciate it. Why not try dual boot? I guess that's always something I could look into. I don't have a real need for Linux from what I'm working on. Server wise it's good, but I don't know. Location. Okay, I think I have an idea. So if I go player.location.x and y player location.y, z player location.z. So I've got location.x. I don't know if there was any point to doing that actually. maybe I don't need to do that. Oh, this is giving me flashbacks to Advent of Code. For let x equals -5 while x is less than or equal to 5, so we'll go -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and x plus plus. So for each x and then for each z, because y would just be up and down, I could just use wherever the player is standing. Now how do I get block? I think I need this world. How would I do this? Get chunk at. No, it's not the chunk. I don't want the chunk. I need the block. World get block at. There we go. So what was world? Player get world. Okay. Player get world, get block at x plus player location.x. So player location.x would be where I am in the center, plus x, so -5 basically. So if I do this the other way around, it probably makes a bit more sense. Plus x, and then y would just be player location y, player location z plus z, and this will be block. So console log block, and then we'll see what blocks we get. They should all be dirt. Got some friends that use it and aren't in the server, so ping works. Oh, to pass it on. Nice. I kind of wanted to basically just reward people for being in the server. So they kind of get a sneak peek ahead of time. Nick, what's up? Hello. It's good to see you. I hope you're well. Hope you're having a good start to your weekend. Yes, we are making Minecraft plugins. Well, not making, but I'm sort of more familiarizing myself with approaching it with JavaScript. So let's see if this works. Basically, oh god. Does not like that. Basically, what I have at the moment is a thing that replaces your inventory with dirt, like this. So if you have any items, they get replaced with dirt. And Albister brought up that they could throw the items on the ground to save their items. And I think we should also write something that converts all of your drops into dirt as well. Just because. Why not? Long time no see. I can't remember the last time. Maybe it might have been when I was at uni still? I can't remember. So let's hopefully get all of the dirt around us. JSP drop disease. Oh god. Well, it did give us one of those blocks. A lot. It says air though. Oh, because the actual block, the actual Y space that we're occupying is air. So we need to do -1 to get. No, actually that's right. It is air, because the drops will be occupying the space above Y. So this is actually correct. It wouldn't be down here. So if I actually ran the command down here, yeah, so it gives us some air and some grass block. Bit of trolling. I just moved. Oh, okay. So yeah, that would have been about February. But I don't think I would have had my internet back then until maybe about March or April. If you wanted to target a specific inventory slot, you could get it from the text and reward. Yes, you could do that. I'd have to make it like +1 because I guess most people wouldn't have the concept of zero index, and I'd probably need to split it up into toolbar and like inventory, because then just for the inventory, for the toolbar, you could just do 1 to 9, and then inventory would just be 1 to I can't math. 27, because it would be 36 minus 9. There's probably an easier way to do this. I'm gonna check. Smorphium, what's up? Wait, what? Smorphium? Oh no, what is happening? It's the Benz train? Oh god. I've never been on the receiving end of the Benz train. What is happening? DZ, how was your stream, buddy? I was lucky. I think I had to pause your stream because my setup is pretty janky at the moment. So having someone else's stream open does not help. I hope you're well. I hope Space Engineers was good. It's our boy. Oh no, no, I don't have any of those commands here. I probably should, because I've got all those videos. The bees, what's up? Hello. Dalton, good to see you. We are currently making Minecraft plugins. Well, I'm trying to. It's 1 AM. Well, it's almost 1 AM, so my brain's kind of shutting down, but I think we'll get there. You just have it more than one. You're too kind. You should probably get some sleep. You've got a flight, like, what? I don't know when your flight is, but yeah, hopefully after I get my PC all built, planning to dive into some Space Engineers myself. I got my coding all set up, ready to go, but yeah, it does not play well on this laptop, which is a shame, but I have to make do. Deviz, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. But yeah, right now I'm basically just trying to work out how I'm getting drops within the area of doing stuff. I don't know if I'll make this into an actual mod or kind of just experimenting for now. We'll see. Not sure yet. Maybe, you know what would be awesome? I'll definitely have to do some streams of actually making pop-ups because it's such a fun process. Like, I've just got, like, it's kind of weird actually because I've got different screenshots of Dalton. But no, making the actual pop-ups and kind of just experimenting with animations and stuff is a lot of fun, and I would stream it if I could, but Adobe takes up RAM like nothing else, so it's a bit difficult. But yeah, I've got my parts on a list, so we'll probably get that built in the new year, and yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. No worries, I'm glad to inject a bit of fun. The thing that I'm actually using for your stream is Triggerfire, which I've worked on probably since October 2019. I don't know how many users we're up to. I think we're up to about 25,000, which is pretty insane to me. I think we hit 20k recently, and and that was mind-blowing. So I'm glad to see that a lot of people are making use of it, and yeah, it's a lot of fun to use, because I don't actually really use it in the stream, but I get a kick out of using it on other people's streams. Yes, that is my side hustle. Except I haven't monetized it yet. I've got plans in the new year, and a lot of people seem to be up for supporting it. So, I mean, if people are willing to throw money at me, I guess I'll do that. But I'm just doing my my duty as a Twitch civilian. Okay, I said I was probably gonna do this until 1, which is in like 15 minutes, so I'm gonna try and get this working, although I don't know if I'll be able to, because this is kind of complicated. I don't know. Basically, I'm trying to get all of the drop items within a 5 by 5, no, 10 by 10 drop radius. And I've got these for loops set up so that I can basically just loop through all the blocks. Oh god, that's not looking. You need to promote it on my channel somehow. Well, you know what? I actually had a horrible idea for April Fools, where I would just replace everyone's triggers on everyone's channels with Dalton. What the heck? And these, thank you so much for the subs. You guys are crazy. I think I wasn't gonna say anything, but I think we're actually pretty close to the next emote, which is insanity to me. Oh yes, we need to get you set up with emotes. I'm not a great artist, but I mean, I can do stuff in a pinch. I think it would be super dope to reach out to an emote artist, though, to get you proper emotes and things. Probably be a lot of fun, because we definitely need a Ben's emote for the Ben's raids and sub badges and all that. I'll only throw 50p's at you in the pub. Well, I appreciate it, David. Thanks. But yes, go check out those awesome people if you're into space engineers and you like seeing stuff come together. I don't know if my thing... Oh yes, it is still working. Sweet. Any recommendations? I do know some good people, actually. I'll actually see if I can reach out to them, because I'm super fortunate to kind of be in these kind of creative circles where people are super awesome artists and everything. I used to do quite a lot of graphic design way back when, but I kind of found out that I'm not graphically inclined. I'm better at writing code and stuff. But yeah, I'll see who's available. Right. I'm gonna just Google this, because I can't think how else I would do this. Bukkit. Let's see. Alright, bees, have a good sleep. Enjoy your rest. Have a good flight. Safe flight. And yeah, I'll catch you on the other side. And where the time difference will actually feel more logical, because you're American. And yeah, it's weird, you being ahead of me. I'm not used to it. I think at some point my sleep schedule was just turning... Well, actually, it kind of is. It's not good. It was like shifting to American time zones. Get dropped items close to your location. There we go. Alright, Dalton, have a good one. I'll probably be heading off in like 10 minutes. It's 1 and I want to get some sleep. I need to reset my sleep schedule. Mr. Rixer, have a good night. I should consider it. I'm gonna consider it in like 10 minutes. And if I'm not, then I'm sure chat will yell at me. Here we go. Alright. Here we go. Get nearby entities. What the heck? This is exactly what I need. God's sake. Why am I doing everything the complicated way? I'm really great at that, you know. I am the best at... And why do I need to get location then get world? Shouldn't I just be able to get world? In nearby entities, play get location. Alright, let's see if this works. Array arise. Array arise. Yes, that's the function I made. Basically, oh, I don't know how to spell my own function names. That's good. Yikes. Console log. No. Entities for each entity. For each entity? Console log entity. So basically what I'm doing here is converting this thing, I don't know what to call it, this stack into a JavaScript array because for some reason it doesn't like it and it complains. So I wrote a function that basically just makes it a bit nicer. And then I need to console log each entity. And what should we get? Let's try reloading, see what happens. With any luck, I'll need to throw down some dirt. Lag. Right, here we go. So this should just be null, because there shouldn't be anything nearby. Okay, so it's just the player, just me. What if I throw down this? Oh, we have me and an item. Does that... Okay, so when oh, I guess that would count as a stack, right? Yeah. So that would be like material dirt times 2. Okay. So what is this? 5 by 5. Is that like 5 by 5 around the player? I need to look up get nearby entities. Get nearby entities bounding box. Okay. Right. So oh no, it would be location double. Yeah. That's what we're using. Oh, here we go. X, half the size of the box along the x-axis. Half the size of the box along the y-axis. So it's actually 10 by 10. So that makes sense. So it's 5 in each direction, I think. Well, let's test it. Oh god, don't lag out. So if I drop that there, That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if I'm here, will I still get it? I don't know. It was just listed the player. Oh, yeah, so it's 5 over there when I'm standing here. Now, if I go 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, God's sake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here. Do I also get that one? Yes. Then if I go 1 out. No. Okay, so it's 5 in all directions. So 5 that way, I guess 5 everywhere. Cool. That's more than enough, really. Also, I know Mr. X left, but that game rule for disabling the weather and daylight change is a godsend, so thank you. I don't need to keep setting the weather to clear and setting the time to be a day every time. So I appreciate that. Now we know you can count. Damn, Dotaro, what's up? How are you? Oh, you're still here? Lurking. I appreciate it. Entities. Okay, so we've got the radius. Now, how do we actually convert each drop? How do we change each drop? Wait, I've got an idea. I can just do what I did before. So if I do entities for each entity, wait, hang on, actually. Let me check what functions are available for craft item. Oh no, it's not craft item, it's just entity item. Entity item, yeah. Thanks for the quack. A good luck quack. I've been meaning to build, I really want to build like a tug of war type thing between the geese, and the ducks. Quack versus honk. Personally, I'm a fan of the quack. I think it just sounds better, but the honk has some personality too. Oh, entity.remove. There we go. And my picture on Discord is of a goose, so I don't know where my loyalties are. Const location entity get location. Is that right? Does that work? I don't know. We're gonna find out. This might not work, but you know what? We're all about trying. Alright, reload. Let a godly potato know. I appreciate the sub. Oh yeah, definitely. I'm helping him set up something on his Facebook stream later. He came here earlier asking, and I am getting him to message me to get that set up, one of my widgets. And he very kindly gifted a bunch of subs, so that was awesome of him. I definitely wasn't expecting that. Let me see. I'll let him know since I'm talking to him in a bit later. Well, probably tomorrow at this rate. Oh god, it's 1. I didn't realize. Alright, let's try and finish this up. What am I even doing? Oh yeah. JSP drop disease. I need to check here. Oh, so we got the location. Okay. That's the location of me. If I drop this, does it give me the location of that, though? That is the question. Yes, it does. Damn, look at that. X minus 193, X minus 195. So we've got the location of the entity. Now, is it possible to remove that entity? I've just realized I can't remove the entity because my player counts as an entity, so I'll just be removing myself. So I actually need to check what the entity type is. What is that? Cow? Entity get type? How do I get the type of the entity? How do I know what I am? Or does it get name? We're so close, I can feel it. What would it be? I think you just get name. Yeah. No. Is it? Like, how would you get... Oh, get type. It is a thing. Okay. I'm not crazy. So, if I get type, that should be... It should say something like player, I think. Yes, actually, let me just double check my other file. Because I know I did this before already. Here we go, entity type.player. So actually I need entity type here, then .player. Console log, so if entity get type equals entity type.player, then return, because basically I don't want it to do anything with me. I just want to get the dropped items around me. I don't want to get, well, me, even though I count as an entity. So entity location, so technically this should only it should only log one location now, or no locations actually, because unless I've dropped something. Let's have a see. What? Where did you come from? I don't know. Alright, we're just gonna ignore you. I guess that's what was making the noise. You're lagging me out, man. Go away. Right, here we go. So, let me do this again. Okay, don't get anything. If I drop this, I got a location. Nice, okay. We're getting somewhere. So, if I go, so I've got the location, so what I can just do is entity.remove. I think. Now we'll remove the entity. And then I can do player get world drop item naturally at location, I think. Get world, drop item naturally, get location, new item stack. Yes, yes, this is it, I think. New item stack material dot dirt 1. Is there a way? Well, actually, that might just drop. that might just drop dirt. Like, it would look like it just been dropped from somewhere. I wonder if there's a way to just change it without doing that. You know? Now I'm gone. Alright, Mr. Ixo, have a good night. Sleep well, my friend. Alright, here we go. I can't use dirt, because that's just going to get replaced with dirt, isn't it? Let me grab some flowers. Use those. Oh, well, it changed, but it dropped again. I don't know if that's a good thing. Does that look... I guess that looks kind of weird, right? Yeah, it looks kind of weird. I wonder if there's a way to just replace it in place without dropping it. Like changing the type of an item. If I can do that, I think that would be perfect. Change item type bucket. Maybe... What if I just assign entity? Can I just go entity equals new item stack material.dirt? Or will it hate me for doing that? I don't know. Let's find out. Let's find out. Right. Let me grab some other flowers again. Drop. Oh, don't do that. Drop this. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Right. Drop. It does not like me doing that. No. Okay. Alright, fine. Whatever. Can I change entity type? Okay. Here we go. So yeah, you can't change the type of entity, but you can remove the current entity, spawn a new one. That's what I want to do, but how do I spawn it without making it look like it just dropped out of nowhere? That's the question. These all look pretty hacky. I think spawning it is the best thing to do. Oh, here we go. Spawn entity. I think that would work better, right? So spawn entity. Let's try it out. Any second now, Babel. Alright, here we go. Drop this. No! Cannot cast inventory item stack to entity type. What? Oh. Material.dirt. Let's try that. I think it doesn't like, it says spawn entity, not an item stack. So let me just spawn a single item. I think that's what it wants. Right. We go again. Right. Don't fail me now. Right. Drop this. What? Material to entity type. Wait. Maybe, so it's not material either. Is it entity type dot dirt? Like dirt block? Entity. I don't know. Entity type, sorry. Dirt. Dirt. What? Dirt? Block? Falling block. So what would it... yeah, so it's got to be material. Because one of these other things is an I don't think these count as entities. Entity type, arrow. I just want to replace it with a block without making it look like it just spawned. I've got an idea. Maybe I'll just do drop item instead of drop item naturally. Because I think when I used drop item before, it was when I was removing a block, which caused it to eject at very high velocity. But maybe if it's happening in the air, it'll be okay. That's my hypothesis. We'll see if I'm correct. Probably won't be. But you know what? It's alright. Okay. Oh! Well, it kind of worked, except it still flew off. You know what? I'm kind of okay with that, actually. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. Oh, the question is, if I drop 2 of these, does that mean 2 dirt? Oh, what are you doing? Alright, lag spike. Oh no, it just converts it into 1. That's actually kind of more painful. Not gonna lie. If you had like 10 diamonds, you would only just get 1 dirt. Pretty terrible deal if you ask me. Okay. So I guess... well, it is 1:14, so I think I might just call it that done. I might revisit it, see if there's anything better I could do, but I'm pretty sure we did alright. We did alright. I'm trying to get these to spawn further away from each other. What the heck? Right. Okay, yeah, I'll take that. Cool. Okay, well, in that case, I'm going to end the stream here. Thanks everyone for chilling out. I appreciate it. Hopefully that was somewhat interesting. I'm gonna I might stream tomorrow, we'll see. But yeah, I appreciate everyone dropping by, or the new subs today. I think we're 2 away from the next emote, which is insanity, but thanks. I guess. I am gonna wrap up here, and I hope everyone has a great rest of their weekend. I wonder if that was the end of the Minecraft tape. Not sure. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go send you all over to Blacksmith. He is a fuzzy otter. I was doing some coding work for him last night. I was actually on a call with him, walking him through making some alerts with code and stuff. And my laptop actually started freaking out like crazy. It was pretty hilarious and also kind of terrifying. I think my laptop is actually cursed. So I'll probably need to take it to a priest to get exorcised. But I think they're all booked up this time of year, so that might not be happening. Smorphium, David, hope you have a great rest of your evenings. Blacksmith is playing Scribble.io. Yeah, he has a community night this time of the week, so I'm gonna go send you all over to him. He is a pretty awesome dude. He has a very nice voice. Much nicer than mine. Otherwise, yeah, I'll catch you all next time, and I'll go get some sleep. So, good night, folks, and I'll catch you on the flip side, as they say.
Answer, that makes sense. That makes so much more sense.
I didn't know.
Yo, fire, homie. Thank you so much for the raid at 12. What's going on, everybody? How you doing? Welcome in, welcome in. Hope you guys had a fun time in the Firewire stream. Fire, what were you up to today, homie? Were you working on that that Minecraft server? Or the Minecraft plugin thing? What the fuck? I thought it was a dog. Limousine. How do you spell limousine? Uh-oh.